Well, indeed, there is the lowest LCOE, the levelized cost of energy, that according to a recent study conducted in 2020, it the LCOE cost was the lowest one in 90% of the land area at the global level. So this is the main driver that bringing to use the bifacial tracking system, so both technology tracker and bifacial technology to utility scale PV system. First of all is of course the LCOE cost and the capability and the features of the tracker system that are able that they give us as features. So, for example, if a tracker gives features like to be prone in weather extreme events, or if tracker use specific tracking algorithms that use IEA tools or backtracking technology, or in case also tracker are aware about different kind of PV utility scale installation, like considering not just flat terrain but sloped terrain. In some cases, this could be a crucial factor to choose a tracker manufacturer instead of other one. Interesting. Typically, current tracker manufacturer offer the possibility to mitigate the effect of hailstorm, for example, or wind. And in some cases, according to a survey that we conducted in the framework of IEA PVPS Task 13, in some cases, 50% of the PV owner that was representative of more than 13 gigawatt of PV power plant say that in some cases PV tracker does not respond as expected due to an extreme weather event. But of course, these kind of features need to be tested. We recommend to test these features in PV power plants to be sure that when this kind of extreme weather event happen, indeed the tracker are ready to react to this kind of event. Yes, also in the same document that we prepared with the collaboration of international expertise in the framework of Task 13, key aspects need to be, of course, addressed. For example, first of all, the development of tracker algorithms that are aware about different kind of terrain in the site of installation. That include additional features compared to the traditional, let's say, backtracking. Moreover, for example, additional point that need to be focused on also in research activities the albedo enhancement. Focus on materials that can be used to enhance the albedo and test their durability over the time of using this kind of material, of course, in the utility scale PV system. And the other thing is the point of PV modeling. Indeed, also considering different kind of PV configuration, PV system configuration, and different slope of the terrain. In this case, PV modeling to estimate the yield production of a PV power system need to be, let's say, more focused to enhance their accuracy in this kind of estimation. Last but not least is the reliability. There is missing literature in the reliability of this kind of system, so tracker system. So it is important to focus on this kind of topic that is very important for PV power systems.